To nights like this, understanding the toast of celebration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might hear at parties, gatherings, or during heartfelt toasts. It's "to nights like this." This expression is not just about the words but the emotion and context behind them. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and why it's so impactful in English-speaking cultures. To nights like this is a toast that people use to celebrate the moment they are experiencing. It's a way of expressing appreciation for special occasions, the company around, or the overall atmosphere of the event. The word "to" in this context is used to express a wish or a good intention towards something. When we say "nights like this," we're referring to the specific type of enjoyable or meaningful experience currently being had. It's a recognition that this moment is worth celebrating and remembering. This phrase carries a lot of emotional weight. It's about savoring the moment, being present, and acknowledging the beauty of now. When someone raises their glass and says, "to nights like this," they're not just toasting to the fun or joy being had. They're also highlighting the rarity and significance of these moments. It's a reminder to cherish the time we spend with others and the experiences we share. You might wonder, when is it appropriate to use this phrase? To nights like this is perfect for gatherings with friends, family reunions, weddings, or any occasion that feels special and memorable. It's usually said at the beginning of the event to set a positive tone or towards the end as a way to encapsulate the joy of the gathering. To use this phrase effectively, wait for a quiet moment when you have everyone's attention. Raise your glass to signal you're making a toast. Say the phrase with sincerity and warmth. Encourage others to join in the toast by raising their glasses too. Understanding the cultural context of this phrase helps non-native speakers grasp its deeper meaning. In English-speaking cultures, toasts like "to nights like this" are a communal way of expressing gratitude and bonding. It's a shared acknowledgement that life's fleeting moments are precious. Using this phrase correctly can help you connect more deeply with native speakers and show appreciation for the shared human experience. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and beauty of the phrase, "to nights like this." We hope this video has not only helped you understand its literal meaning but also the emotional and cultural layers behind it. Here's to making the most of every moment and to all the special nights we get to share with those we care about. Cheers to learning and growing together in our language journey.